So what is a data product and how can you create one? What's up everybody? My name is Sheldon and welcome back to the Polyseams YouTube channel. My goal with this video is for you to leave with a clear understanding of what a data product is and how you can create one using CNDI Run. I know it's hard to find an official definition for the term data product because everywhere you look it says something a little different. Everyone is trying to tell you what their version of a data product is, and well, we're no different. So this is an attempt to sum up all of the work and all the research that we have done and hopefully present it to you in an easily digestible way. So let's start with a definition that we have come up with here at Polyseams. A data product is a valuable data asset that your company uses to make decisions and all the technologies and metadata associated with that asset. So when I say data asset, that could be data from sales and marketing, manufacturing, user data from your application, basically any data that you would look at before making a decision. The technologies are the software and hardware responsible for capturing and storing the data. The metadata is information about the data product, which includes things like documentation, who built the data product, and other things like versioning and tags, which make the data product easy to find. But why do we call it a data product? It's because we're treating the data itself like a product, and it's just one big analogy. Imagine you walk into Walmart, there are products everywhere. Every single one of those products starts from raw materials and goes through a manufacturing process. You then put it on a shelf to make it easily discoverable for its customers, and your customers go find the product because they derive value from it. That is the exact same story for a data product, and here's an example. Imagine you work in an enterprise. You sell things in a real store and online. So you have two different sources generating data. You then need to extract the data from both of those sources, transform it, and combine it into one total sales data set. And you can view this as the manufacturing process of your data product. You then need to load that sales data set somewhere and make it easily discoverable to its customers, aka marketers, data analysts, executives in your company. But for the story of a data product, you don't physically put it on a shelf. Instead, you load it into a database and track the metadata for each data product in something called a data product registry. Stay tuned and subscribe because in the future, we will definitely make a video talking about the Polyseams data product registry. But for now, you can think of the data product registry as the store you put your data products in so your customers can come view it. And that's why we call it a data product, because the life cycle of a normal product is just one big analogy for the life cycle of a data product. Each specific data product has a different set of technologies used to host, collect, transform, and store the data, meaning each specific data product has its own stack of technologies supporting it. Now, if you're a data engineer or you manage a team of them, you might be wondering what is the cheapest, easiest, and fastest way to create the tech stack for your data product and have every part of your pipeline communicating and working smoothly. This is where Polyseams tool CNDI Run comes in. It's fully open source and totally free for everyone, and it's a data product stack deployment tool. It works by you giving CNDI the login information to your cloud provider and giving it information about each of the data applications you want to run on the cloud. It then deploys everything and maintains it all as code in Git. So all future changes you want to make to your infrastructure go through a peer review process in Git. There's also pre-built templates for common use cases like orchestrating data jobs with Apache Airflow to make that deployment process even faster. I'll link the project in the description below where you can find a full walkthrough on how to deploy your first data product. And like I said, it's an open source project, so if you're interested in contributing, I'll also leave a link to the repo below. I hope you have more of an understanding of what a data product is and how you can create one with CNDI Run and where you can go if you're interested in doing so. Like the video if you got some value from it, and subscribe if you're interested in more data-related content. Let me know how many times I said data product. I'm sure it was a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has an awesome day.